Has anybody run across this? And I'm going to put this down as a key point. Groupthink. Groupthink is lousy group thinking. The only reason that a group is coming up with a certain decision is because of loyalty to other people. Okay? Has anybody ever heard of this television station, CNN? Okay, what have you been seeing on CNN the last year and a bit? The presidential race, you see some Republicans, and you see some Democrats. They don't really care, and I'm not an American, but we have a property in the States, my wife and I, and we hear from the Americans saying, we are embarrassed. The Republicans don't care about the country. They just care about winning the next election. And they say the same thing about Democrats. The Democrats are just saying things to win the election. They're not thinking about the overall best interest of the organization of the United States. Groupthinks happened in families. And be careful, in a groupthink environment, a husband and a wife, an aunt and an uncle are making a decision because the husband doesn't want to upset the wife, or the wife doesn't want to upset an aunt or an uncle, okay? It's not because it's the right decision. One of the things you need to work on when you're turning around a troubled project is groupthink. And Laurie, to some extent, I think Laurie and I and a few others were talking about silos. Silos generate groupthink. So you really have to work on that and try to, first of all, educate people that it's a bad thing, and then show them what's in it for them if they don't do groupthink. Okay? That, again, Laurie, if I can offer you this as a suggestion, if you want to influence people, if you want to get them to change your mind, again, you're not always going to get what you want. Step number one is to educate them on the concept. But that's not good enough. Step number two is to show them how that concept or best practice will help them. We're not machines, we're people, and people are all selfish. You know, and I'm saying all to some degree.